Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Zainab Altaf, and I'm once again back on my YouTube channel. You must be thinking where I was gone. Maybe I forgot the password of my channel, or maybe I just quit YouTube. No, it's not true. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the real reason why I was not available on the YouTube for a little while. Basically, I got admission in my bachelor's in cybersecurity, and currently I'm in my second year of my bachelor's in cybersecurity because I was working really hard and focusing on my studies. That's why I couldn't upload videos on YouTube channel. But finally, now I'm back on my channel. I'm going to be uploading videos for you guys, and now I'm just hoping that you guys are going to be giving me the same support that you were giving me before. And that is it for this video. To make this announcement, I made this video, and I just hope that you subscribe, like, and share and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.